Greeting, and welcome guys. In the last video, we learned about Slider Factory Pro plugin installation. You can find the link below in the description or click on the card to view that video. In this step, we're gonna show how to create slider with layout 1 and publish the slider on the page. Log into your website, go to the Slider Factory Pro menu page, and click on the submenu page. Click on the Create button, under the Layout 1, Slider banner. First, give the name of the slider, under the slider title text box, it is optional. Now, click on Add New Image Slides button, to add the image slides into the sliders. You can change slide position by using drag and drop functionality. You can add slide title, description, and SEO alt text in each slide. The final step is save the slider with default settings. Go to the Save Slider button under the Slider settings. Click on Save Slider button, and copy the generated slider shortcode. Go to the Pages menu page, and click on the Add New, to create a page. Give a title for the newly created page. Add the copied shortcode into shortcode block, and publish the page. Click on View Page button to see the preview of the slider. You can use navigation arrows to go to next slide or previous slide. Using the full screen button, you can switch slideshow and full screen mode. By grabbing the image slide with the left mouse button, you can drag the image slide to the next, or previous. By clicking on thumbnail, you also switch between the image slides. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 1 video tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.